In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove devices from your Dropbox account. If you've noticed multiple devices are synced with your account and want to clean things up a bit, you're in the right place. We'll go through this in a straightforward manner and have it all wrapped up in about 5 minutes. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to open up your browser and head over to the Dropbox website. Log into your account using your credentials. It's important to ensure you have access to the account with administrative privileges so you can make these changes. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see your profile avatar. Click on this avatar to open a drop-down menu. From there, select the Settings option. This is where all the magic happens. After you've navigated to the settings, you'll see a couple of tabs at the top. What we're interested in here is the Security tab, so go ahead and click on it. Once here, you might see a lot of options related to your account's security and privacy settings. But don't worry, we won't need to go through all of them today. We'll focus on scrolling down until you reach the section titled Devices. This is the area where you'll find all the devices that are currently linked to your Dropbox account. Take a moment to go over the list. It's quite handy to see every device that's had access to your files. Now, find the specific device you want to remove from this list. It might be an old phone, a tablet, or perhaps a laptop you no longer use for accessing Dropbox. Next to each device, you should see a little trash bin icon. When you've identified the device you want to unlink, click on that trash bin. This action will prompt a confirmation to unlink the device. Go ahead and click Unlink, and you'll have successfully removed the device. It's as simple as that. Do keep in mind, however, that while this removes access to your Dropbox account from this device, any files that were synced prior will still remain on it unless they are deleted manually. You might want to reach out to the device's user to ensure they do this. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to manage your connected devices on Dropbox. This is a neat way to keep your account secure and make sure only the devices you want have access to your files. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this.